Hey guys, my name is Tony, and this is my review of the Warby Parker Try at Home Kit. So I've been wearing glasses for about 10 years, and I wear a negative 4.75 prescription. It's always really hard for me to find glasses that look nice and that can fit those thick lenses. I usually wear contacts, so we're gonna try this without my home pair of glasses. I only wear them at night to go to bed after I take the contacts out, but I'm trying to see if I can wear them more often during the day. So let's crack this open and see what we got. Okay, so opening up right off the bat, we have a return label, just like they promised. I get 5 days to try them on from when they send them, and then I have to send them back. Some really cute instructions here, and kind of newspaper article notification thing, it looks like. Let's see, tells you all about where the glasses fit better on the eyes, and how glasses are made. That's good to know. It tells you about insurances and how different insurance providers can help you pay for these. So right off the bat, some good information. I like the packaging, not too bad. Okay, and as you can see, we have 5 different pairs of glasses here that I pre-selected on the website. Now they have several options on there. So Warby Parker, they design and manufacture these in-house, from what I understand. And there's some pretty cool styles. They got the rectangular ones, your round ones, your Clubmaster style ones. So they got everything. I went for a more round style. So let's take a few out and see what we like. I didn't know exactly what size was gonna fit me. They do sizes by extra narrow, and then narrow, medium, and then like wide and extra wide. I talked to a customer service rep, and they said that they're moving away from that, and they'll be going to the more traditional sizing that normal glasses use. But let's try these off the bat right away. I think these are narrow, so they fit pretty well. I have about an average to below average, like smaller size head, so not a huge head, but these fit really nice. They're a little tight, so these are the narrow ones. So I think the medium ones are gonna fit a little better on me. But as you can see, they're pretty cool. I went for a lot more round styles because I usually go with the square style, so I wanted to mix it up, try what is popular right now. So they come in these little bags, marked with the name of each glasses pair. They're all named, they all have like individual names. So this one was the Watts in sugar maple color. It's like a tortoise, you can kind of see. And then this one is another tortoise color. They call it whiskey. So this is the whiskey tortoise. These are definitely narrows. I think I ordered 2 narrows and the rest are like regular. But yeah, they're pretty cool. You can see they fit really well. Big problem I have is when I shake my head, they fall off. So my other ones. So these fit really nice actually. Comment down below, what do you think? I want to get some that I like from here, because finding glasses online has always been really hard. But if I could save some money from going to your traditional optometrist, then I'm all for it. I wanted to try out the clear crystal style. This one is a Haskell in crystal color. They're a little big. I guess the frame, it kind of swoops down to above your cheekbones. But yeah, I like them. They're a little bigger and heavier because of that. These other ones kind of are slimmer, or they're more circular than oval, so they don't swoop down as much. So these are cool. I wanted to try some out. The cool thing about this whole try on at home is you get to pick 5 pairs, and then you try on what you like, and if you don't like it, then you don't buy it, and you'll just try it. You can try some other ones on. Let's see, these are the Turners. So these are again in like this is chestnut crystal, a little lighter tannish color. These look really cool. Now something cool to remember, I guess, when you try on glasses even at the optometrist, these aren't prescription lenses, but they're really clear. So I really like that they send you some quality try on pairs. But I like these a lot. I might go with these. And the last pair is called, this is another Watts, but in gray blue crystal. These are nice. So as you can see, it kind of has like a bluish tint crystal to it. Still clear, but not as clear as the normal crystal one. Let's see, let's try these on. What I don't like about glasses is that I can turn and see, like in the peripherals of my eyes, the frame. So these are cool because they're so clear, but they're not a wire frame that kind of go thinner in, or that's thinner style. So I don't know, I'm digging these. So yeah, I might just go with these. So that is all I'm gonna review today. The 5 pairs that I got from Warby Parker. This is the 5 pairs for 5 days try at home kit from Warby Parker. I think I might go with one of these, and I'll let you guys know eventually what I do, but I'm excited.